Hello everyone, today I want to share my teaching philosophy, one that blends essentialism and progressivism to create a dynamic student-centered learning environment. Education is more than just teaching facts from a textbook. While structured knowledge is important, learning should always engaging, interactive, and exploratory. My teaching philosophy balances essentialism, which emphasizes core academic skills, and progressivism, which encourage students to think critically, collaborate, and apply their knowledge to the real-world situation. I believe that learning should be not a one-way transfer of knowledge. As a teacher, I will sometimes take the lead providing essential instruction. However, I also believe that students should have a opportunity to take charge of their learning, explore ideas, and collaborate with their peers. This helps them to develop critical thinking, skills, and retain information more effectively. Student should always be at the center of learning. My role as a teacher is to mentor and inspire, not superpower or control. I want my classroom to be a place where the students feel encouraged to express their ideas, ask questions, and take ownership of their learning journey. Teaching is not just a profession. For me, it is a passion. My goal is to create a space where my students feel respected, supported, and motivated to learn. Teaching is not just a profession. For me, it is a passion. My goal is to create a space where my students feel respected, supported, and motivated to learn. I will nurture their strength, help them navigate challenges, and guide them to reach their full potential. In the end, education is not just about the teacher, it is about the students. So I am committed to be being guiding hand in their journey, helping them become lifelong learners who are prepared for the future.